And here we go, the joys of backing up a single jet ski trailer. I mean, he's got plenty of room. It shouldn't be that hard, but let's see how he fares. But welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, and today we are down here visiting 79th Street. And the start is not so hot, as he's going a little bit of the wrong way with the trailer. So they're going to pull forward again and go ahead and try and get it back to straight. And this one's always interesting. So if you look up here to the right of the truck, you can see security's up there. They already know this is going wrong. He just wanted to get a closer look as it happened. So there we go, heading in toward the right direction, but they paused for some reason. They were bringing it back around. Look at our guy coming back out of his truck too, sliding down the ramp to show you how slick it is down here today. And no, the wrong way. Oh, there we go. Gets it back going the correct direction. It looks really good right this second, actually. And no, they came back a little too early. They figured that out. But I got a feeling they're way too close to the actual dock. Yeah, they're going to have a tough time. They're so close to the dock that it's not going to work out the way they want it to. So, has to stop before they wind up hitting the dock. And now they've got a truck and trailer in front of them kind of blocking him. He's trying to renegotiate his spot while the other truck that's in front of him is backing into him. You're going the wrong way, bro. You got to turn that wheel. And I love security just hanging out right next to the truck. So they've got the wheel turned. They're going to have to reset this, I think, though. The problem is let the truck in front of you go now. That person's like, I'm tired of waiting on you. Let me just get my trailer in. And there we go. Security lends the hand to give him the assist on trying to get this one over. And he probably should have kept pulling a little more. So now we're hanging out the side of the truck. I mean, they made the hard turn to go ahead and get the trailer moving in that direction, and we're going to be shot blocked here at the end. And there we go. They're coming down. They're still awfully close to the dock with the truck, which means they've got no room to work. Unless this is backing down perfect, they might be in trouble, but I don't believe they'll be able to get out of this truck. So hopefully they don't have to. And somebody's laughing. So the guy in the jet ski is trying to tell them they got to come a little further back. They're not deep enough. And there we go. Right there you probably are. It's a jet ski. But again, I have to imagine now you're too deep. With the jet ski, you really only need the end of the bunk in the water and just ride it up. I mean, it only weighs 1,000 pounds. And it doesn't take much, just a few more inches and you're too deep, and now the ski's going to float over the trailer. You'll have a tougher time getting centered on there. Oh, and there we go. Dukes of Hazzard out the window because they can't get the door open, just as we expected. But hey, they did finally get the trailer and the truck back down here. Good start down here at 79th. So they've got the ski on the truck. We're going to have to Dukes of Hazzard it back into the truck probably to get this thing going. They're trying to get the door open. Is he going to slide in? And just going to slip in this time. But now, here we go again. There's a truck in front of them blocking them, and they appear to be having struggles getting this back down as well, as they're taking their sweet time moving pretty slow. And this is where things can get interesting. It takes a little patience down at the boat ramp, because I got a feeling, yeah, they're going to stop right in front of them. And they're ready to go. He's like, yep, let me get out of here, bro. Is he going to try and squeeze in between the truck? And I don't think you're going to fit there. But the crew in front of him is just blocking them, taking their sweet, sweet time. But there they go. They'll go ahead and start loading the truck up, sitting right here on the ramp while they got to wait on the... Oh my God, they're so close to him. They're going to hit this truck. This is kind of like watching them back down earlier. I mean, he's got a ton of room on the other side. This is a 3 or 4 wide lane ramp. And now they're going to pull forward to try and straighten it out. And bro, if I were you in this, I'd get out of here. While you've got the shot, they've opened it up to give you a chance to get out of there. Run. And so our crew is going to come back again. And now they've got the whole thing, though, so they should be good. But another sweet, slow rollback on this one. Bro, he can't even see you if you're behind the boat like this. Get way off to the side. And how long do you guys think this should take? Let me know in the comments. I mean, I've been doing this a while. It doesn't take me very long to get the boat back down the ramp. I mean, from start to finish, 45 seconds? Just to, I mean, that's not getting it off the trailer, but that's just from the point I get it, make that wide turn, get lined up. It shouldn't be more than 45 seconds, even if I got a long way to go back. And I've actually got, there's nobody waiting in line right here right now, so I've actually got no qualms with this. When you're using every inch of the lane to get your trailer launched, I'd rather see you do that than take a long time. It's another thing when you wind up doing both, though. Take a long time and use the whole ramp. So, still trying to back it up. We've paused for a moment. And we're putting somebody in the boat, I guess, to get lines and stuff over there. And our crew, I mean, they're finally touching water at least, so that's a start, and hopefully they can finish getting this thing in. Now, after several more minutes, they did finally get in the water. They actually got some lines on the dock, and then they get the classic little problem. They can't get the boat off the trailer for some reason. So now they're sitting here trying to do what they can, as you see the truck try to jerk to see if they can break it free. And we've got our guy in the tailgate trying to push on it. But as they're pulling forward now, the boat's just coming up with them. And it looked like it buzzed right there when he was pushing. There we go, a little backup action. And they're trying to push her off. Is she floating? It looks like she's floating, and they finally get her off the trailer, and they're finally going to be able to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, crew. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here. If not, we're coming to steal your drain plug.